Hey, thanks for the question. I think I speak for all of us when I say that chickens aren't exactly into freezing temperatures. I mean, you ever seen a chicken in the Arctic? Ha, I don't think so. Word at Sanderson Farms is that packages may get a little frost on the exterior in the meat case, but they're never frozen. Nope. The grocery store is no place for frozen chicken. Pizza, maybe, but not chicken. Oh, and popsicles. And ice cream. And ice cubes. Do they sell ice cubes? Sometimes they do. I don't know. I don't buy ice. I'm a chicken. Anyway, those are obviously all best frozen, but not chicken. Never chicken. Okay? Okay.